Hello and welcome to our 37 in 1 sensor kit series. Today we are discussed about our fourth sensor, that is RGB LED. So let's start with the introduction. The RGB LED can emit different colors by mixing the three basic colors, that is red, green and blue. So it actually consists of three separate LEDs, red, green and blue, packed in a single case. That's why it has four lids, one lid for each of the three colors and one common cathode or anode depending of the RGB LED type. With an RGB LED, you can of course produce red, green and blue light, and by configuring the intensity of each LED you can produce other color as well. To produce other colors, you can combine the three colors in different intensities. To adjust the intensity of each LED, you can use the PWM signal. Because the LEDs are very close to each other, our eyes see the result of the combination of colors rather than the three colors individually. To have an idea on how to combine the colors, take a look at the chart. This is the simplest color mixing chart but gives you an idea how it works and how to produce different colors. There are two kinds of RGB LEDs, common anode LED and common cathode LED. In a common cathode RGB LED, all three LEDs share a negative connection, that is cathode. In a common anode RGB LED, the three LEDs share a positive connection, that is anode. This results in an LED that has four pins, one for each LED and one common cathode or one common anode. RGB LEDs have four lids, one for each LED and another for the common anode or cathode. You can identify each LED by its length as shown in the figure. Now I'll show you how you can interface your RGB LED with the Arduino.